What'd you get, Mia? I just woke up, Dad. I just woke up, Dad. What's all this?
Dad, that dries your hair for you. You plug your hair dryer in there.
Is that what that is? What did you get, CJ? Man of Steel, just like me.
That one's there. Yes, I get one to take your birthday. Oh, I got the
The what? What did you get, Joe? The Croods DVD. And what's that?
I'm going to see
Xbox something.
Wow, can I stand up? Yes, I got pizza. Oh, one. That's like a funny shop.
Oh, FIFA 14. Oof.
CJ.
What did you get, CJ? What's that?
CJ, what did you get?
What was that you just had out of there?
CJ, what did you fill out here? That's a heavy. Right.
Look at Joey's picking the big stuff.
Planes.
Planes and Xbox. Xbox points.
I'm just picking my other things for anything. Oh,
What's that, Joe?
oh, there's beverages. And there.
Open that last. Open that last. Open that last. What is that? Laser something? Laser tag?
Don't get laser tag. Stop. And what? What does that mean?
What does what mean?
Portable computer.
A portable computer? It means that it's portable, it's a computer. And you can carry it about with you.
What must that mean? Yes!
What's that?
Oh, yes!
Tagamoto!
Mom!
Wow. It goes vroom vroom vroom! It goes vroom 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 here! So tired, man.
I got it. Yes! Rearrange it. I need a thoughtful character. Can I Xbox one?
So it is. You sure?
I've got
Let me see.
That's
That's it is.
That was flying in the hall floor.
That's a super drug receipt. We don't need that.
That was in the hall floor.
I think your Xbox points is your other thing that says Xbox. You're going to need that anyway, Courtney, man. I hope so. Whoa, oh my goodness me, that's the thing you wanted! Whoa! A wheel writer! Yeah, man. What colour are they? Red.
White and then blue.
Yo! Because guess what? Who are we? We are the people. What is it? You haven't get the paper off it yet? What's that, Joe? Oh, that's a fish that you put in water. It's not a fish. Is that your biggest one? Look at that! That's a massive one. That's the biggest one we've seen yet.
Awesome.
Courtney, bring it over, please. Superman's bigger than the laptop. Bigger than the helicopter. Mia, Mia, you singing? Yay! Caprini tracky, Joe. Lovely. Right, CJ, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that?
Yes.
Oh, is it
I want.
is it figures? Army figures?
Yeah, figures.
Right, it's because you're tearing life with it here. I need to try and open it properly.
Oh.
There's a way to open that, man. Check the box, so we'll just need to toss it. Joe, what have you got? You got one too? A red and white and blue one? Oh man, a tank. You're going to kill people? An army tank? Mia, who's that? Is that Jake? Is that Jake?
I've got
Jake and the Neverland Pirates. Climb the whole board, my hearties, and be a pirate true. Yo ho!